Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video we will learn how to install a preview version of Windows 10 version 2004, which is going to be released soon, but right now only a preview version is available to install. And if you want to try the preview of Windows 10 version 2004, you can follow these steps. So let's open up a browser and go to the Microsoft website. I'll give you guys a link in the description. This is the website from where you can download the preview. So once you are on this page, scroll to the bottom and you will see an option Select Edition. Click on that and select Windows 10 Insider Preview Slow Ring Built 19041 and click on Confirm. Then it will ask you to select the product language. You can select English and click on Confirm again. Okay, now it will ask you whether you want to download a 64-bit version or a 32-bit version preview. So according to the operating system which you have, click on the option. I have a 64-bit operating system, so I'll click on 64-bit download. And the download will start at the bottom left corner. It shows about 2 hours or 3 hours, but it will take less, or it may take less time on your computer. It depends upon your downloading speed, but it is a huge file, as you see, 4.8 GB. I have already downloaded this file, so I will cancel this. So I will open up my download folder. As I said, I have already downloaded that particular file, so that is the file. I will double click on it and it will open up like this. You can simply click on the setup, click on yes on the user account control window. I'll minimize all of the windows. And now it will show the progress on the screen. So it is preparing. Okay, on the install window page, click on next. Now you'll get certain screens like this. You may have different message written on the top, like it says getting updates. It may say anything else also, but you will have to keep following the on-screen instructions on this and keep clicking on next. Choose the appropriate option, accept the license and terms, because this is the window which will be there until this update completes. So we will wait till it downloads the update. So you see it is changing the screens, and now we will have to accept the license. So I'll click on accept. We'll wait till it asks us to do anything else. So it says ready to install and it wants you to save your information. I really don't have anything, so I will select the third option. But if you have anything, you can keep personal files and apps. You can keep personal files only, but I'll keep nothing. So choose the appropriate option and click on next. Okay, it again shows the same thing, ready to install, and asking you to check whether you want to keep something. So I will click on install because I don't have anything to save. Okay, so we are on the setup page. Let's start with region, and it is right, so we'll click on yes. And the keyboard layout is also US, that is also right. We can skip this. So if you have a Microsoft account, you can sign in, or if you want to create a local account, you click this option that says offline account, and on the next screen you click on limited experience, and now it will ask you to type a username and click next. So since I have a Microsoft account, I will go back and I will type my email address here. And click next. Now type the password and click next. Okay, you can create a pin, and you will have to you can choose privacy settings for your devices. I will leave it like that and click on accept. We'll click on yes on this. Okay, we'll do it later. You can back up your files on OneDrive if you have OneDrive enabled. I'll click next. I don't want a trial for Office 365, so I will say no. Okay, it is asking you to configure Cortana. You can say note now, and it will take us to desktop now. Okay, so we are on the desktop. I will close this browser. The display setting is not proper, so I will change the display settings. I will select the resolution 1920 by 1080 and we'll keep the changes. You can adjust the display setting by right clicking on the desktop and display settings, and then choose display resolution accordingly. There are multiple settings you can adjust accordingly. And we will check the version of Windows now. So we just need to right click on the start and click on run, which will open up a run window, and you need to type winver and then click OK. So now you see the version 2004, and that is the latest version, which is not yet available. It is a preview of version 2004. of Windows 10. So I'll click OK to close it, and that's it in this video. Click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. You have a great day. Bye bye.